Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Enjoying your weekend, I know I am. Been very relaxing. So I was watching Bar Rescue last night on right here on YouTube. And because I saw, worst kitchens, and having been a cook, I decided, let's check it out. It was in my recommended feed. And a guy, I heard someone on the show say, here are your chicken nachos, and I thought, oh man, that sounds awesome. So I'm gonna make some chicken nachos because, why not? A little something different, and just sounds good. So let's get to it. Add the flour, make a simple roux. And start adding milk. I can open the damn thing. Got my chicken going. Alright. Got these Tostitos chips. Good grief. All right. Wow, really? Oh yeah. Of course I made way too much, but that's all right. Those will just make them a little extra cheesy. And of course I got my freshly cooked chicken. Some tomato. And because hopefully my shoulder is not in the way, because I absolutely just love avocado. Of course, we're going to go with the whole avocado because reasons. I got a small one, so. Get out of there. Alright, let me show you a trick with sour cream. Instead of just taking a spoonful and just glopping it on top, you put some in a zip top bag like this, and then you seal said bag, and then you get to the corner here, just trim the little tip off, and then you just take it like a piping bag, and you can just distribute your sour cream. Actually, I should have cut it a little smaller. I could have had a bigger drizzle, but that's alright. There we go. Chicken nachos. Well, maybe a little heavy on the sour cream, but I like sour cream. One final look before I dig in. All right. Here we go. Oh man. Look at that cheese sauce. I just realized I totally forgot about a jalapeno pepper, and I forgot to put it in. Oh. A little silly of me. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna go enjoy it, sit and enjoy this, so I'll catch you guys in a few. Well, alrighty. So, clean plate, not so clean kitchen. Yeah. Man, that was pretty good. Really good. I really happy with how the cheese sauce came out. It was quite tasty. It sure beat melting it over. I mean, melting it in the microwave or in the broiler. So I'll have to remember to do that next time because I really liked it. Forgot my jalapeno that I had it setting aside, and I totally forgot to put it in there. Oh well, I can always use it for something else, I guess. Guess I'll clean up my mess and get back to doing what I was doing. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.